This is a block of 6 to 7 and 7 to 8 foot Canadian hemlocks. And you can see none of the trees are touching. Any of the trees we're touching were thrown away on the side. Just give us a call, 215-651-8329 for Canadian hemlocks. We have real nice stock here. We're here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313, and these are our real nice looking burning bush, Euonymus alatus compacta. These are about 4 foot high, 4 to 5 foot high, and they're a heavy plant here. They're in a 22-inch ball, and as you can see, after we dig them, we put a drip water line system down for them to take care of them. These are $60 until the end of 2009, and we have about 400 of these to sell. And you're welcome to come out to the farm and take a look at them. We're located on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. These can take a little bit of shade. They are considered an invasive plant, so just to let you know, in some areas you wouldn't be able to have these, like in New England states. It's not legal to grow this plant, but it's okay in Pennsylvania, as far as I know, New Jersey and other local states. So just give us a call at 215-651-8329. This is a real nice looking bush, is it not? This is the burning bush. Thank you. These are a weeping river birch. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. Thank you. These are 5 to 6 and 4 to 5s. Green giant arborvitaes. Got plenty of them here. Just give us a call, 215-651-8329. This is a block of emerald green arborvitaes, just to give you an idea. These are from 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10 foot. And they held up pretty well through the winter. Sometimes you do lose a branch due to snow load, but it didn't seem to be so bad. If we take a look over here, you can see these are technique, and you can see how they just fell right apart. So, a few primordialis in there, but you can just see the difference, how well these held together versus some of these others over here for the technique and the primordialis. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. This is Nandina. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. We have plenty of them here. Real nice evergreen. Only gets to be about 5-6 feet. These are nice heavy plants. This is Dragon Lady Holly. It's a real nice upright holly. Makes a nice hedge. We're specimen planting. The nicest thing about it is it's deer resistant. The deer have to be very, very hungry to eat this. So give us a call at 215-651-8329.